Hello friends, welcome to Option Trading Ki Duniya. In this episode, let me bring you the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for trading day 29th March 2022. So before I proceed, let me tell my viewers that this content is for educational purpose only. If you are trading, then take the help of investment professional. So now first of all, let me come to the Nifty chart. So what is Nifty suggesting for the day? Based on pivot points, let me give you the levels for today. Nifty has opened gap up. So you can see the gap up today. So now it is trading around 17,267. So now Nifty has got stiff resistance at 17,298. That is the first resistance Nifty is facing. Then if it takes out 17,300, then there is a chance that Nifty can test 17,381. So that is the next level on Nifty. Now on the downside, if Nifty is not able to sustain above 17,298, there is a chance that it can test the pivot. So pivot is placed at around 17,151. First it can come to the upper range of pivot. So that is 17,182. So there is a chance that Nifty can test 17,182. Currently Nifty is at around 17,261. If Nifty takes out 17,298, then you can go long for a target of 17,381. And Nifty has got good support at pivot, that is 17,151. And the next support is at around 17,067. So what should be your strategy for the day? If the Nifty is sustaining above the pivot, that is 17,151, and the upper range of the pivot, that is 17,182, you can go long if the Nifty comes to these levels for a target of 17,300 and above. But if Nifty is taking out 17,300, you can go for a target of 17,381. And the next support for Nifty is at around 16,920. So trade accordingly. On dips you can purchase. Yeah, uh, it is a buy on the lower level strategy. So if the Nifty falls to 17,182 and sustaining above that, so you can go long for a target of 17,300, and if it takes 17,300 out, you can wait for a target of 17,381. So that is the Nifty chart for today. Let me come to the Bank Nifty chart. So Bank Nifty is another index which I am tracking. So first let me come to the Bank Nifty chart. So even Bank Nifty opened today gap up. Yeah, it is slowly going lower from the highest point of the day. So currently Bank Nifty is around 35,701. So the upper range of pivot, that is 35,630, and the pivot is at around 35,511. So as long as Bank Nifty is sustaining above 35,630, you can go long for a target of 36,000. 36,000 is a very stiff resistance. So 36,000. Yeah, so that is one. And next, the next level is 36,263. Okay, if the market is falling, you can buy the fall. Yeah, market can test the pivot, that is 35,511. If the market is not able to sustain and stay above the pivot level, that is 35,511, yeah, then if there is any candle below it, you can sell for a target of 35,254. Okay, that is one. And market has got very strong support at around 35,254, and the next support is around 34,759. So the best strategy is, yeah, buy on all falls. Okay, it's ideal that you wait for the market to test 35,500, and there you can buy, and you can wait for a target of 36,000. So that is a better strategy. Okay, so that is the bank nifty chart for today. Now let me come to the uh, open interest change for the day. Open interest change. So you can see the highest put build up. Highest put build up. So first let me go to the open interest. Okay, open interest is open on your screen. Now here the highest put build up. Yeah, so that is at around 17,200. So meaning is 17,200 is going to be a major support. So market is around 17,250 levels. So that support is going to be a major support. If that breaks, the next support is at around 17,000 only. So there can be a 200 and 250 points fall from there. And you can see the highest call build up is around 17,500. So 17,500 is going to be a major resistance. Yeah, so market is ranging between 17,200 to 17,500, and even there is a call build up at around 17,300 levels. So 17,300 also is going to be a major resistance. So now the market is trading between a trading range of 17,200 to 17,300. Break of any of these can give you either a rally of 200 points or a fall of 200 points. So you should wait for 17,200 level or 17,300 level. If it breaks 17,200, sell Nifty or sell Bank Nifty. Sell Nifty. If it breaks 17,300, you buy Nifty for a target of 17,500. So let me show you the change in open interest. So what has happened to change in open interest for the day? Change in open interest. Okay. Now here, so let me tell you where the level is. So highest change has happened in put. So you can see here, that is around 17,300. Highest addition. So which means 17,300 is a stiff resistance. Sorry, stiff support. Okay, and then you can see the highest, yeah, change in open interest on the call side happened at around 17,300. So maximum pain is at 17,300. 17,300 is a level to watch. Okay, either on call or put. Yeah, so that is the change in open interest tracker from my side. Now if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. So Nifty and Bank Nifty are the major indices. So I give you the trading levels for both Nifty and Bank Nifty almost on everyday basis. So thank you for watching my channel. Yeah, please like, comment and share so that it is a motivation for me to give you more such videos. Thank you.